Hello dears, today we are starting our new chapter, measurement. Okay, so this chapter is very simple. Okay, as compared to the other chapters, multiplication, division, factors and multiples. If you compare the chapters, this one measurement is very simple, and you already learned the basic things about these measurements. Okay, so shall we start with let us begin. Some questions are there. First one is 1 meter is equal to, what is 1 meter? This one, I remember 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. Second question is 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1 kilometer. Okay. For 1 meter, 1 meter we can say that 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, so that's you already learned. The standard unit to measure weight. What is the standard unit to measure weight? Standard unit to measure. Some units are standard. That means for measuring weight, we are using different units. But standard unit is there. Okay, that standard unit. What are the different units to measure weight? Grams we use. Milligram is there. Very small. Milligram, grams, then kilogram. Okay, so standard unit is what? Kilogram. Like that, standard unit to measure capacity. Capacity is what? That we will study. You already learned. Capacity is what? Milliliter, liter, like that. Water, like that. Liquid things we will measure in capacity, isn't it? So the unit for, or the standard unit to measure capacity is what? Liter. Okay, liter. Like this, liter, L. Okay, so these are the questions that in. Let us begin. Okay, so we are starting our chapter with the first one, that is what? Length. Length we are measuring using different units. You learned, we know that to measure but line segment, we use what? Ruler, isn't it? In ruler, it is written as what? In centimeters. Mostly the ruler that you are having 15 centimeter ruler or 30 centimeter. Big ruler is what? 30 centimeter ruler or 15 centimeter ruler. Okay, like that ruler we are having, isn't it? In the ruler, small divisions are there, isn't it? That is called what? But that is what? Millimeter. Okay, so 1 centimeter, that is 1 is written here up to 2. You can see that small divisions, isn't it? So in this small one division is called what? Millimeter, isn't it? So how many millimeters make this 1 centimeter? You know, isn't it? 10 millimeter, isn't it? So we can write as 1 centimeter or 1 cm is equal to 10 millimeter, isn't it? Like that, 100 centimeters means what? 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter of rope, 1 meter of what? 1 meter of cloth, isn't it? Like that, we measure like that things, like that these things in meters, isn't it? For smaller units, we will use the centimeters, like that. The length of a book, length of a line segment, like that way we are using what? Centimeters. But for rope cloth, like that, we are not using centimeters. We are not using what? Scale. We will use under you use. I think you all so that one. Is it tape? We will use. Is it tape? Like that. Maybe tailors having that one thing they will put. You know. Maybe in your home it will be have. Okay. So like that thing, that is called tape, measuring tape. Okay. That one is meters. Okay. Meter, 3 meter tape, 10 meter tape, like that. Okay, so 100, how many? This is very important. 100 centimeters make a what? 1 meter. 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Okay, then what is next one? That is kilometer. What is the use of kilometer? For measuring long distances. That way, for that one we cannot take a tape and measure. Isn't it? It's very difficult. Or from my home to Trivandrum, 1 lakh meters are there. Like that we don't say. Isn't it? 1 lakh meters are very big, isn't it? Then we will use a kilometer. My home is 10 kilometers is far from Chertala, or my home is 2 kilometers is far from Muhammad. Okay, like that we will say. For that one we use what? Kilometer. Okay, kilometer is for to measure long distances, distance between the places, distance between the cities, distance between what two homes. Like that we will use what kilometer for two countries. Isn't it? Distance between two countries. We will use kilometers. Okay, like that for bigger longer distances we will use what? Kilometer. So how many meters make a kilometer? 1000 meter make a 1 kilometer. Okay, 1000 meter make a 1 kilometer. Okay, I'll write this way. 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. This thing you must study. Okay, this is very important. Okay, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Because the conversion is there. To do the conversion, we must know these facts. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, now it is converting meters into centimeter. How can we convert a meter into centimeter? Okay, that is also very easy one. Okay. Very simple. Okay. So remember 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. What about 2 meter? 2 into 100, 2 into 100. What is that? 200 centimeter. What about 9 meter? I am converting. 9 meter is how many centimeter? 9 into 100. That is 900 centimeter. Isn't it? 900 centimeter. 9 meter is 900 centimeter. Okay. Like that way. How can we convert this one? 8 meter, 25 centimeter. 8 meter. We need to convert all these things into centimeters. What do we have to do? Here this part is already in centimeter. This is in meter. So convert this one. 8 meter is what? 8 meter is 800 centimeter. 800 centimeter plus 25. 8 meter is 800 centimeter plus the remaining what? 25. 800 plus 25 is what? 825 centimeter. 825. So convert the meter part and add the centimeter parts. Together we will get the answer. 8 meter 25 centimeter. And what about this one? It is bigger one. 25 meter 37 centimeter. Then what we have to 25 into 100. 25 into 100 is 2500. Okay, just to put 2 zeros after, then you will get the answer. Okay, plus 37. Then what is the answer? 2537 centimeter. 2537 centimeter. Very simple, isn't it? Okay. Here, actually, we need to learn converting meters to centimeter, also centimeters to meter. Reconversion is also there. Centimeters to meter. For example, 400 centimeter. What is 400 centimeter? It is 4 meter. Isn't it? How to convert very easily? Just listen here. Actually, this is 400 centimeter. We are converting by dividing with 100. Okay, dividing with 100. There we multiplied with 100. Isn't it? To convert the 4 meter into centimeters. 4 into 100 we did. Isn't it? 4 into 100 we will get 400 centimeter. To reconvert that one we have to divide it. Understand? To convert the centimeter into meter we have to divide with 100. Then dividing 100 is very simple. Okay, just listen. 2 zeros are there. For multiplication we put 2 zeros after this one. Here after this we have to check 2 places. That means 1, 2. Just separate this way. This part is what? Meter, and this part is centimeter. Here only 4 meter is there, 0 centimeter. 2 zeros, that means 1, 2. 2 places you have to take put a comma and you can convert 4 meter. Okay, next one when I write you will understand. This is 400, 300, 500. There is 5 meter, 600 centimeter is water. 600 centimeter is water. 1, 2. Then what you will get? 6 meter. This is very simple. when I am writing and the next one you will understand how we are converting. Okay, for example, we need to convert a 975 centimeter, 975 centimeter into meter and centimeters. Okay, so to convert this one, what I told you, you have to divide, isn't it? That means 975 divided by 100, isn't it? That one we have to do. Then what we will get the answer? We are going to convert centimeter into meters. Then just think 1 2, isn't it? So this part is meter and this is what is centimeter. You can write it 9 meter 75 centimeter. We are dividing with 100 means we are actually separating this way. This part is meter and this part is centimeter. 1 2 2 place you have to take. This is 473. Then what is the answer? 4 meter 73 centimeter. Understand? 1275 centimeter. Then what do you have to do? 1 2. Then what do you get? 12 meter 75 centimeter, isn't it? So this is the way. Okay, so this is the way we are reconverting centimeters to meter. Okay, so the two things we can study later. Okay, thank you.